Wakey wakey Upper East Siders, Christmas is around the corner, and there is only one dessert to make the Big Apple proud. Toast some almonds on medium heat into a blender with sugar. Pour in rose water and blend it smooth. Ooh, fancy schmancy almond rose spread. Let's make the filling. Add chopped nuts, raisins, pumpkin spice, and our spread. Oh yeah, and a pinch of salt. Done. Mix butter and sugar. Add flour and an egg yolk. A little punchy and squeezy. And look at the streusel. Use a tart or sour apple. Spoon out some of the inside and fill it up. Butter, sugar, and pumpkin spice. Time to get your little paws dirty. Cover every inch of the apple. Add the streusel and bake for around 30 minutes depending on the type and size of your apple. Let's make a white chocolate sauce. A spoon of butter and flour on medium heat. Add milk and white chocolate. Simmer till it's nice and thick. There you go, my lovelies. A little extra work to make your holidays even more luxurious. Don't forget to comment and subscribe. XOXO.